Why did I cover up the color stuck inside my head? I should've let the jagged edges be the light instead. We were telling me that you're holding me. The show me couldn't write. This is what it sounds like. No. Defiant, in the quiet, not alone. Listen to demons, let them queen us. I'm here on our own. We were cowards, we were liars. We're not heroes, we're still survivors. We miss the fires, the flavors. I'm tired. We're on your side. It still sounds like 3 people singing. To a million pieces and we can't go back. Now we're seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. Another part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. We cover up the color stuck inside our head. The architectures be the light instead. We want underneath. I'll find your harmony. As an undefined, this is what it sounds like.